Dance party time.
Great job, though. Glad that you went a little bit.
Okay, fine. You want to put it in my shirt? Okay. I got the monkey in my
What were we doing this morning? We were doing somersault and stuff.
Being a girl, I do somersaults.
What did we watch on the computer?
Girls do lift their body.
What is it called?
Gymnastics.
Whoa, there she goes.
Here she comes.
Get the momentum. And
This is chicken.
Huh?
yay! And followed by a hug to your daddy. If you are Nastya and he is your coach. Aw, that is nice, really. You girls.
Ruby's really kind.
She is kind to you sometimes. She's very
And I'm
kind.
kind to her.
She's doing here.
What's
What
she
is she
doing?
doing? She wants to ride you like a pony. What are you doing, Livy? What kind of move is that?
I have a baby on me.
Splat. Gentle with her face.
See how it-
Whoa! I will hurt you on my back.
What is going on?
Oh no! We're having a funny time. And I found it and on the radio.
A worm? And let me see the face that Ariel makes when she's singing. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's hear a little singing now with it. Can you sing? Very nice.
Where's Penelope? Where is she? She asleep? Where? What is going on over there? Oh, there she is. Where's Penelope? Where's Barno? You are going too fast for her. Good dancing, everybody.
Hi guys, what are you making?
Tell Daddy what you made.
We made some pizza.
Awesome.
Good cookie in there.
Let me see this chef. Look at you. What a good helper.